Oh, no. Turn off the car, dude. Stop.
Hold on.
Where are you from?
San Fernando.
Okay. Do you have any ID on you?
Uh,
Are you visiting someone?
Huh?
Are you visiting someone?
no. I'm just right now trying to get some gas money.
Okay.
Hey, I don't have my ID on me. Do you have it right there?
284 on 925A Hudson, north of Del Mar.
Okay. Good?
No, I need to see some ID.
I don't have none.
Do you have a picture of like an old one or anything?
Hey, can you send me a picture? On my ID?
Or do you know your driver's license number?
I know. By heart.
Okay.
Let me see.
What's your name, bro?
Ricardo.
And what's your last name, Ricardo?
Andrade.
And what's your birthday? What brings you here?
Huh?
What brings you here?
I came to see a friend.
Oh, okay. Your friend lives here?
No, not right here. I was already driving and trying to, but I parked and I swear I didn't even see the one way.
Oh, okay. Did you come out of there?
No, I
284?
came this way. I came this way, but I just reversed it and I seen that car. I was like, why is it parked like that?
Oh,
The
okay.
whole time
Okay.
it was me.
All right. You're not on probation or parole or anything?
No.
Okay, perfect.
We good?
284
Like
dispatch
that
on
way?
you? No, not yet. Okay, 2029 Israel, last of Andrade.
In Pasadena.
And then nothing illegal inside the car? No guns, drugs, anything crazy like that? Perfect. Are you from Pasadena? No? No, well, you got the crown tattooed on your forearm right there.
Why?
Yeah. Or you just like,
Does that mean
you just like
Pasadena?
crowns?
No.
Pasadena-
It has a meaning to me, but it doesn't mean
Oh,
Pasadena
you didn't know
to me.
Pasadena's the crown and the key?
No.
Oh, okay. So I thought maybe you're from here.
San Fernando.
Where's your friend sit?
I don't know the streets. I'm not good with directions.
Oh, okay. And you have a driver's license, right?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. It's not expired or suspended or anything?
It might be suspended.
Okay. Are you able to use it for to drive to work and stuff like that, or is it?
Yeah, I had it like that.
Okay. Are you a junior?
Am I a junior?
Yeah. Yeah. Do you have a middle name?
No.
So you are a junior or not?
Look, well, it's not on the driver's license or none of that. I am by, say, parent-wise.
Simba.
Like my dad's Ricardo Andrade, and then I'm a Ricardo Andrade. But it's never got put on my driver's license right here.
Okay. And you don't remember your driver's license number?
By heart, I just know it starts with a D.
Good.
Huh? What? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I'm right here now. I'm about doing the wrong turn.
It happens. Sometimes it's an honest mistake. Sometimes we get drunk drivers that end up the wrong way. I'm not saying you obviously haven't been drinking, but it happens. That's why we're checking to make sure everything's all good.
Yeah, but
Well, I mean, it's dangerous. You're
know,
the wrong way. Are you staying in your car right now?
yeah.
How long have you been staying in your car?
For about 7 months.
Good. Okay.
7, 8 months. I know. We were supposed to go into the tiny homes, homeless families. We got approved, but they, like what was it, a month ago? They said we could go to the little spot, and then right when we were gonna go move, they told us that had to go.
Tipper. Oh, okay. And the tiny homes, the ones over in by downtown?
No, San Fernando.
Oh, San Fernando. Oh, okay. I'm just trying to open those up everywhere.
You just watch it.
Okay, got it. What's up, boss?
I guess I'm facing the wrong way on the one with you.
Yeah, that you are. Hey.
The whole time, I thought this guy was parked on.
Is there nothing illegal in the car?
No.
Is it okay we try to just make sure?
No.
No? Okay.
I'm
Go
not
ahead.
moving.
Go step
Go and
out.
step out of the car for me.
Huh?
Go and step out of the car for me. No, turn off the car, dude. Stop.
Hold on. You're gonna get fucking shot. You're gonna get fucking shot. 35, hold the air. Got one at gunpoint. He's trying to run me over. Hey, you're gonna get fucking shot, dude. You're gonna get fucking shot. Stop the car. I swear to God, I'll shoot you. I swear to God, I'll shoot you. I swear to God, I'll fucking shoot you. Turn off the car. Turn off the car. Go.
Okay, we're gonna be in pursuit. Stand by. Okay, pursuit southbound Hudson, wrong way towards California. He tried to run over a police officer. Okay, he's through the red, southbound California. I'm losing eyesight on him. Let me see if we can get inertia. Okay, we're still southbound Hudson. Coming up to Lake. Okay, he TC'd into a residence. Here. Driving. Hey, police K9, stop here to get bit. Stop here to get bit. Right here. Clutch. Hey, he jumped the backyard. He got a dog deployed. No bite. He's in the backyard. Start setting up a containment. Get somebody to lake. Hey, is he in your backyard? Hey, come out. All right, get inside and lock your door. So I need all available units, code 3 over here. Let's set up a containment. And for a watch commander, we can try to get a hold of an outside agency for an airship if they're able to fly. Is a male Hispanic, long hair, tattoos on his face, wearing a dark gray jacket, unknown pants. I think they were light gray.
경찰은 집주인의 협조를 받아 감시 카메라 영상을 확인했지만 모션 감지 센서가 경찰이 달려오던 시점에 꺼져 영상이 녹화되지 않았습니다.
Then he comes out, and then back and forth, and then the fuck does he go? Look,
Yeah, because when I ran up, I watched him jump. So it
you can go in my backyard.
okay.
Do whatever.
So, yeah, we're gonna do that in a second. Just lock your doors, and then call 911 if anything, or you come out to the front. Okay. Your dogs are inside your house.
Yes.
All right.
그는 경찰을 피해 약 5분 거리 떨어진 주택의 유리문을 깨고 침입합니다. 집안에 있던 거주자들은 소리를 듣고 놀라 방 안 옷장 속으로 숨었고 리카르도는 차 키를 내놓으라고 소리쳤지만 아무런 반응이 없자 초조해진 채 자리를 떠납니다. 다행히 아무도 다치지 않았고 거주자들은 경찰이 도착할 때까지 옷장 안에 숨어 있었습니다. 이후 리카르도는 또 다른 집의 뒷문을 부수고 침입합니다. 이번에도 거주자들이 집 안에 있었고 놀란 이들은 급히 앞문으로 달아나 집 밖으로 피신합니다.
36 emergent traffic come to Okay, come here. Now get in the car, Celine.
Hold on and bring the dog. Bleiben. Stand by for the dog. Hold on. Where's he at?
He's in the house. Only they ran out.
Are those the residents in here?
They just came out of the front door. They just ran out the front door, said he was in here.
Hey, suspect, passing a police canine. Surrender now and send my dog. When he finds you, he will bite you. Surrender now and the dog will not be used. Hey, ask him if there's anybody else inside. Pass in, police canine! Surrender now, dog who used to find you, and he finds you will bite you! Here! Bowie. Here, blijven. Good boy.
Come on out. We're sitting in the dog. Let's go.
Alright, give me a lethal cover. I need a lethal. Revere. Alright. Here, but. Here.
Hold on. Watch the cross.
Watch crossfire, watch crossfire. Alright, let's push up.
There's a secondary property
Off!
back.
Off!
He's behind that. Just push up to that second property.
You have to access through the freaking.
Here! Here!
He's going back westbound.
Revere. Hold on. Hey, units, if you're on the west side, stand back. I don't want you to get bit by the dog. We're on the north side of the property. Yeah. All right, come on. Slowly. Slow. Okay, hold on, slow down. Suspect, get on the ground. Let me see your hands. Let me see your hands.
Police department, get on the ground!
Fast. Stop.
I got him.
Hey, put your hands to your side.
Put your hands up!
Hold on. I need to see your hands. Put your hands up now. Put your hands up now.
Okay, we got this.
Right hand now. I do not know a weapon on you. Stand by.
You good? Hey, are you okay?
I'm fine. Good Jesus Christ.
Blijven.
You guys good? Yeah.
I'm good. Hold on, let me get out with my dog. Dog, coming out. Hey, somebody give me a light. Make sure my dog's not shot. Hold on, blijven. It might be blood from the suspect. Hold on. Blijven, bud. Good boy, bud. I think we're good. Blijven. Good boy, bud. That's a good boy. Yeah, good boy. I think it's just blood from the suspect.
Fuck it, I'll start CPR. Fuck it. Hold my right. I shot. Hold this.
No, you're good. You
Okay.
just step back.
Stand back.
Who are the shooters?
Me.
You? Anyone else? Okay. Let's go over here.
Amen.
Just two shooters? Okay. Come on, guys. Let's go to the front. Hey, did you shoot? Yeah, you did? Okay. So he's three. Okay. Yeah.
So I safety safe.
Well, let me go. I'll start with you. Let's go back over here. Yeah.
So separate.
Hey, all right. Officer safety questions. Public safety questions.
Sure.
Like, how many shots were fired?
Approximately 3.
3?
Or did I fire?
Yeah, you.
Approximately 3.
이후 총을 발사한 경찰들은 서로 떨어진 채 각자 사건 관련 질문에 답합니다. 경찰은 리카르도의 상태를 확인한 뒤 심폐소생술을 시작합니다. 구조대가 도착해 병원으로 이송되었지만 그는 끝내 숨을 거뒀습니다. 리카르도가 언급한 타이니 하우스, 노숙인을 위한 소형주택이 LA에서는 어떻게 운영되고 있는지 궁금해서 찾아봤습니다. 타이니 하우스, 즉 소형주택은 노숙인들에게 안전하고 안정적인 임시거주 공간을 제공하기 위해 만들어진 주거 모델입니다. 대부분 전기, 난방, 잠금장치 같은 기본적인 시설을 갖추고 있고 시정부나 비영리단체의 지원을 받아 운영됩니다. 그런데도 갑작스러운 폐쇄가 실제로 발생합니다. 운영 예산 부족, 행정적 문제, 정책 변화 등 여러 이유 때문인데요. 실제로 리카르도처럼 입주를 앞두고도 한 달 전에 문을 닫는 일도 생깁니다. LA에는 현재 약 12개의 타이니 하우스 빌리지가 운영 중입니다. 그중 가장 먼저 생긴 곳이 챈들러 타이니 홈 빌리지 2021년에 문을 열었습니다. 이곳은 영구 주거로 가기 전 중간 단계의 임시거처로 설계되었고 거주자는 무료로 머물며 상담, 직업훈련, 의료 연계 같은 서비스를 받을 수 있도록 되어 있습니다. 하지만 실제 운영은 기대와 달랐습니다. 한 조사에 따르면 타이니 하우스 빌리지에 살았던 약 40명 중 거의 절반이 직원이 요청에 응답하지 않거나 반응이 너무 늦다고 답했습니다. 또 지원 계획을 설계하는 케이스 매니저가 자주 바뀌는 점도 문제로 지적됐습니다. 예를 들어 어떤 주민은 1년 반 동안 케이스 매니저가 무려 4번이나 바뀌었다고 토로했습니다. 시설 문제도 있었습니다. 약물이나 무기가 유입됐다는 증언, 비 오는 날엔 침수, 청소되지 않는 화장실 등 기본적인 주거 환경도 불안정했습니다. 그리고 가장 중요한 수치, 영구주택 전환율은 약 23%, 절반인 53%는 결국 다시 거리로 돌아갔다는 결과가 나왔습니다. 반면 시애틀의 타이니 하우스 빌리지는 모범 사례로 꼽힙니다. 시애틀의 타이니 하우스 대부분은 LIHI, Low Income Housing Institute라는 비영리 단체가 통합적으로 운영합니다. 기본적인 시설 외에도 공용 주방이 마련되어 있어 거주민들이 직접 요리를 할 수 있습니다. 하지만 진짜 차이는 운영 방식에 있습니다. 시애틀은 이 작은 마을들을 단순한 임시거주 공간이 아니라 공동체로 만들어갑니다. 거주자들이 스스로 마을을 관리하고 자립하도록 유도하는 구조죠. 이 때문에 책임감과 소속감이 생기고 결과적으로 영구주택으로의 전환율도 높습니다. 실제로 시애틀의 영구주택 전환율은 약 56%입니다. 같은 타이니 하우스지만 운영 주체가 누구인지, 지원 시스템이 어떻게 짜여 있는지, 거주민의 참여가 어떻게 이루어지는지에 따라 그 결과는 이렇게 다르게 나타납니다. 집만 제공해서 충분하지 않다는 게 시애틀과 LA 두 도시의 사례가 분명하게 보여주고 있습니다.